your first snow day, babe?
No. I think this is my first snow day with this much snow though, I think.
Yeah. So we are in Houston, Texas, of all places. And it's snow.
Fucking Christ! Hey y'all, so this is not gonna be real long, but we are outside right now. Houston, downtown Houston, and nothing is open. We even had a Starbucks attached to our hotel, and they said they ran out of inventory. So they're not open. We haven't ate anything, and so if you look around here, see all the snow we got going on. It's crazy. Like, we're in the middle of downtown, but nothing is open, literally. So.
I'm so sad. There's a Shake Shack like right on the corner.
Yeah.
And I
really
really
want
want
it.
it.
As soon as they open up, like,
We're gonna be there.
we're gonna be there.
You still want to just look and see?
They're not open, baby. You can see it. You can think about it.
I don't want
We
to.
scavenging for Starbucks.
Smell the air. I smell burger.
That's not it. It might be
Smell
the burger.
I smell food. What's what?
Right there. When Houston eats.
That looks like a where they have a lot of different places to eat inside of it. And it's not just one. But they have their open light on. But y'all, I gotta go because my hands are fucking freezing. So
yeah.
putting this camera away until we figure something out. Hey folks.
Yeah, so we just put our snacks up. We got snacks from downstairs.
Yeah. And we got insight that there might be some action at Domino's a couple blocks. So because we have nothing better to do and we're hungry,
We're gonna head to Domino's.
let's see what they talk about. They didn't answer the phone, but
we're hoping they just let people walk in and
get some food. So we'll see.
All right, y'all. So we finally found Domino's. It's hella people in here. We standing outside because, you know, it's wrong. So
It's like hella people in that little ass lobby.
yeah, but we glad we found out. It's like because more people like showing up and shit.
Yeah.
So I mean, it's not too bad right now, but it's packed right now.
Yeah.
So hopefully we can get some food and head back as soon as we can.
And I'm hoping that a lot of people in there are like together.
Right. Exactly. So let's see. So we just placed our order. We're waiting on our food, but look how packed it is in here.
And then there's a line outside to get in.
Yeah,
You
like
literally
the
got
line.
here just the right time.
The line is long. Actually, people went home. I don't see it's not as long.
Oh. It was like a line. People were probably like, no, let's get this closed. So, but we still got here at a good time. So,
Yeah. To order. Walking back now. Krusty Krab pizza is the pizza.
I have this one braid dangling right in my face. It's so annoying. Yeah. Can you even see my face? Thank you. The outside of my hands are freezing. Insides are fine. The outsides are like, oh.
We almost there. We got like one more light to cross.
See the little salt on the ground they put?
Yeah. No, I don't actually. But a little.
Right here?
Oh, okay. That's it.
So we made it back.
Yes.
We got some good
Yummy.
veggie pizza.
Got some cheesy bread.
Cheesy bread.
We got some habanero
and
wings.
some wings.
So we are about to eat, y'all. We
Yes.
made it back. Thankfully, we left what we did.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do a mukbang. We're too hungry.
Yeah, we'll do one probably tomorrow.
Yeah.
Because we are here another day. That'll be that. Time to eat.
All right, y'all. So we're still stuck in Houston. It's Tuesday.
Sorry, that was really
What's today? What's
It's
today?
Tuesday.
The 17th, 16th?
16th.
It's the 16th. We're on the whole on 2 phones.
3-hour wait
For Delta.
to talk to someone.
And actually earlier this morning we called Delta to see if they had any available flights just off of Lyft because our flight was so early and we didn't know if the if like Lyft or Uber would be out at 4 in the morning because our flight left at 6 in the morning.
Yeah.
So they had another flight, but then we were thinking like, oh, let's just go because we don't know how the weather is. They canceled our flight anyway, so now we have to call them back to see what we can get.
For Thursday. It's
For
Tuesday.
Thursday. It's Tuesday.
We were supposed to leave tomorrow morning.
No, we were supposed to leave yesterday,
Well,
actually.
yeah,
yesterday morning.
But when we got rebooked,
It was Wednesday, and now it's Thursday. So we don't know when we're leaving.
We might just move to Houston.
Yeah.
Send for Kamora.
Just send for Kamora and then call it
We're
a day.
just going to live here. Fuck it. Let's go house shopping now.
So now we're at the point to where we gotta find food again for today.
Yeah.
And we don't know what's open. We don't know what's like.
Yeah. I mean, the roads, from what I can see, like right outside of our hotel room, the roads are clear. The sidewalk is the only thing that still has snow. Like you can easily drive, but I don't know. Oh shit. Yeah, so I do have the key. So we're gonna go. What are we doing right now?
Going to Starbucks.
Oh, going to Starbucks.
Open. This is ghetto.
What's ghetto? That you have to put the cream cheese in?
Houston. Our DoorDash has been canceled due to the Starbucks Club.
The drivers are out there.
Mm-hmm.
The drivers are out there looking to pick up food, and the stores are closed. So it's not even a lack of drivers.
Probably open.
They probably are, and we might just have to go that route. So we're gonna look again for food. I'm gonna check Uber to see if they might be a little different today. Because yesterday it was like all blocked. We're not doing orders, period. So
Our flight, what about the flight?
oh yeah, so our flight, now we leave. Babe texted Delta. We were on a 3-hour hold, but she texted them, so luckily we were able to get confirmed for Thursday.
Yeah, we were still living on hold.
Yeah, so we're leaving Thursday. It's Tuesday, so yeah, we have 2 days to just, but the good news is we called our favorite restaurant, and she said they may possibly be open at 4. So I'm crossing my fingers that they're open because that would really just make my whole thing.
Cheese and bagel.
Thank you. You see how sweet she is?
Well, you are vlogging.
You just eat, baby.
No.
Enjoy your food. You don't have to cream cheese my
I
bagel.
want when you press the end, then it's already cream cheese for you, baby. You ain't gotta worry about it.
That there, folks, is a wife. See that?
I'm just over here eating. I'm hungry too.
She's so sweet. So yeah, we're about to eat these bagels and drink our green tea drinks over there, and we'll be back.
Did you tell me we just happened to make it to Starbucks like right on time?
Oh yeah, so we just made it. When we went down there, the line was pretty long. A lot of people were trying to do mobile orders, and they were like running out of stuff.
Yeah.
And literally when we got to the register, she was like, we got 2 cinnamon raisin bagels left. I was like, yes, it's my favorite kind.
Oh.
But yeah, they were turning people away. So we made it just in time.
Just in the nick of time.
I got aggravated for like a second because there was this white girl. No, the white girl bothered me so badly. I was like the caucasity, the white privilege of it all. She's all like complainy almost. Mind you, the city is pretty much shut down. There are no places open. No. She's like, are you guys making mobile orders? Because I've been waiting and da-da-da.
Like she's not in the whole last line.
A whole line. The whole thing is full of people waiting.
Like
and she's like, yeah, where's my mobile order? Like, girl, you think you're the only one that did a mobile order? I was really bothered by that. Just very like entitled and this is my world and why aren't you all catering to me type vibe. I don't like people like that, so. Alright, y'all. Anything else you want to tell them? She's enjoying this bagel.
So happy.
Cutie. Okay.
Hey y'all, so summer hair looking crazy. But we are here at Taste. We just ordered our food to go.
Yeah.
First the lady said that we could sit down and eat. So we got an Uber to come sit down, but we found out when we got here we only ordered to go. So that means no drinky drink. So we're a little upset about that.
Yeah.
But nevertheless we can eat. So we're extra excited about that. So we're just waiting on our lift to get ready to head back to the room, get comfortable, eat our food, and just chill out for the rest of the night.
Yeah, we're just grateful that we have a hotel that has power. There's some that don't have any power.
Yeah.
People are like out here struggling for real. So we're grateful. Yeah.
Hey guys, so it's day 4. Well, it's Wednesday, whatever.
Oh, it's Wednesday. So
Yeah, day 3. And we have literally not been doing anything. We got a lot of work done.
Thank God for electricity so we can get work done.
Yeah, so we got a lot of work done, but besides that, we literally just been right here. We literally haven't really ate all day. We ate leftovers from Taste this morning.
Ate some candy.
Yeah, ate some candy from downstairs, some snacks. And that's about it. So we're about to head to Morton's. We heard it's a steakhouse down the street that may be open. So we're gonna walk down. It's about 4 minutes down, so we're gonna check that out. Fingers crossed, because we are hungry.
Shout out to the black dude, because he's the same one that tells us about Domino's.
Domino's, yeah.
He's like, I heard.
Yeah. So he been helping us out downstairs, the front desk concierge. So we're gonna head down there and hopefully it's open, and we'll give y'all an update. Peace.
So we found food at this, I don't know what you call it. They sell challah there. So I don't know what kind of restaurant you call that, but that's what it is.
Yep.
That's what we got. So grateful, found some food.
Yep, our flight is scheduled to leave in the morning.
Praise Jesus. And we'll be back in the ATL.
Where there's food.
Where there's food and water and electricity and no snow.
Wow.
So
I
yeah.
went to Miami and found on my list.
Yeah, so.
Alright, so we are about to go home finally. So we were waiting on our Uber ride. We're getting to the airport.
I don't think we're waiting for it. I think I need to request it.
Again?
Because I did it scheduled, but no one picked it up,
So we're gonna schedule another Uber, and we're gonna get to the airport super early because we don't know how
backed up it's gonna be.
Yeah, because everybody's flights were getting canceled.
She's
like
so
ours.
smart.
So I'm like, yeah, let's get here early so we won't let's just be here so we won't be pushing for time.
This is my fiance, guys.
Fiance.
We were together. This is the test. Are you gonna annoy each other? I probably annoyed her low key a little bit.
Just a little bit, but it wasn't bad.
I chilled out. Just had bursts.
She had her moment.
I had bursts of cabin fever. You're the only one here. But besides that,
we did fine.
Yeah.
She just didn't want me to go to sleep.
No,
I'm like, it's nothing to do.
She kept going to sleep on me.
Yeah, I was.
Wake up.
Look, after
At like 8:30 and shit though. Bless you.
No,
like
there was
8:30.
no food. There was no food. We barely got food last night. And what else is there to do? So I was watching Netflix. I'm like, I'm out of here. I'm asleep. I just want this to be over. Let me
Terrible.
just
and then she made me put this documentary on that was boring as hell.
Because I'm just gonna knock me out.
And then she goes to sleep. Terrible. So we discovered that we don't like the same kind of music, but we also don't like the same kind of movies.
No, we
either.
don't. We don't like the same movies or music.
Yeah.
So besides that, we're pretty much on the same page.
We're gonna discover something else.
Yeah, something we can enjoy together.
Yeah, I like action movies and
like
kicking ass.
Because action movies, it's
like,
just too much going on.
That's what I like.
I'm asking a lot of questions. You gotta pay attention too much.
Yeah.
Like you miss one little part. It's like, this is too much.
That's why
I like a plot.
You know what it is? She doesn't watch things. And so she needs something that she can jump back in and be like, okay.
Oh, okay, I know what happened because he was the guy that came at the, okay,
Because this is her when we're watching something.
No, don't do that because no, it's not.
This is her.
No, it's not.
Scrolling, scrolling, scrolling.
No, it's not.
Scrolling, scrolling.
No, it's not.
Scrolling, scrolling.
Trying to play me.
Y'all want to know how those comments get answered so fast?
But I had to stay on top of things.
But I like action movies because I like a lot happening. Because if it's too slow, I'm uninterested and just cut it off.
What?
That's in my brain.
I never like action movies.
Many things to be happening.
Too much going on.
Yeah.
I don't like superhero. I don't like nothing that's doing too much. No, cut that shit off. I did like Black Panther. But other than
That's a superhero.
But I feel like it had a
that
plot.
one wasn't
They had a
very.
scene. It didn't have too much going on though, did it?
It didn't.
Okay, so that's my speed. I like that.
Alright. But yeah, so we're about to go downstairs and request our lift. We'll check out because this is a hotel. You actually have to check out. I was like, who does that? And they asked for the cards back.
What?
Yeah, they have a whole bowl down there with the cards.
Oh hell no. So damn, I thought we could just leave.
Yeah,
Good
no.
thing we didn't get a well, we probably could have checked out when our flight was that early.
Yeah.
But all of our flights before was at like 6 in the morning.
Yeah.
And then all that canceled.
So grateful this one isn't. So.
Nah, it's like we got a little bit.
Yeah, I might be able to edit a video while we wait for our flight because we didn't get there so damn early.
Maybe. Or we might have to get in line because the line gonna be so long.
No, it's not. Stop speaking these blasphemous things.
Okay, well you have time to edit the video because the line will be short. So let's see.
Because I hate lines. We want to manifest short lines. Because lines are the devil.
Lines are the devil.
Alright, y'all. We'll catch up with you at the airport. What do you mean? Since the water.
Yeah, since the water.
Yeah. Orange juice is so life-changing.
Yeah.
Especially when you're thirsty as hell. Y'all, we finally made it to the airport. We have waited forever for it just to get a lift, and it was pretty pricey. But we made it, and our flight is not canceled. And so now we're having a little bite to eat as we wait. So,
yeah.
how you feeling, baby?
I feel good. I'm happy. Should be going home. Yes.
I think this is the first time that I'm leaving a trip, and I'm happy. I'm excited to get back to Atlanta.
Back.
Because every time I'm like, I wanna
We're
go
like,
back. Yeah. And this time,
we're like, please don't cancel, please. But we got an email last night saying our flight might be affected. I was like, oh hell.
hell no. Yeah. But honestly, driving here, everything was clear. The roads were clear. Everything was fine. So I don't know why they're still fucking with people's electricity and water.
When we left, our hotel water was still not on.
Yeah, still wasn't on. Oh. Very odd.
What did I do with my mask?
Oh, right there. Yeah, so we're waiting and eating.
Water-activated light is attached to each vest.
For children who weigh less than 35 pounds, place the vest around the infant's waist and secure the strap between the legs. Refer to the safety card for more information. Additional life vests for in-lab children are located in a marked compartment at the front and rear.
We got some complimentary wine here. Because we're in the comfort class. Oops, that's weird. Comfort class.
Yeah, probably.
That's the way. Thank you, Papa.
Her papa taught her how to change his tire.
Teaching me these things.
My daddy wasn't good for nothing. Thanks,
Daddy
Kelsey.
didn't want me depending on no man, but him. And if I'm not there, you need to be able to know how to do it.
Oh man, it's sprinkling.
Okay, shouldn't take me that long.
Wow. Yeah, we cannot make this shit up. This has been a crazy trip.
Yes. It really has. Crazy.
Do you need to lift this thing up first?
Not yet. You loosen the bolts first. Then you lift the car up. Then you can easily take the tire off. Because you don't want to loosen the bolts once the thing is up, because then your car can move.
Oh,
and that
gotcha.
would be a catastrophe. So you loosen them up first.
Oh. Baby's teaching y'all how to change the tire, y'all. Me too.
All my lesbians out there.
A lesbian.
What they think we know how to do anyway. So. Please know how to do it. Okay. So now, take this.
Imagine your baby's tipsy as hell. We had two. We didn't show y'all. We had two of those complimentary wands.
Yeah.
They had 13.3% or something like that.
Yeah.
I saved mine. I still got a little bit. Actually, a lot of it.
I'm so glad this car came with this, because most cars don't. Theirs came with this.
Yeah.
That's cool. Normally you have to buy this for your car. A jack. I think. I don't know. I've never got like a new car.
No, mine came with one.
Yours came with the jack?
Yeah.
That's cool. My last car, I had to buy one. My auntie Pam gifted
Now, what
it
are
to
you
me.
doing now, babe? What is that?
So this is the jack. This is what's going to lift up the car so that you can change the tire. Because clearly you can't. It's on the ground. I think I'm going to have to get a new tire because I keep having to
Put air in
put
it.
air in this. So you want to get it low so that it's underneath the car. Like right here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm being slow. I forgot. You do this and this. Can you guys see? Can you see?
Yeah.
So you take this piece here, and then this piece that comes with it that you unscrew the bolts with, and then you you're supposed to be able to just twist it around. Make sure I'm doing it right. It's been a while since I had to change a tire, and I'm tipsy. Okay. Come on, motherfucker. And you know when AAA comes, they have like this little machine that lifts it, so it's so much faster.
Yeah.
But it takes me forever to clean.
All right. Okay, my baby doing it. I feel the car going up. You got this, baby. Go, baby, go. Turn it, baby, turn it. Turn it, baby, turn it. You got this, you got this, you got this, you got this. Okay. Go. Go, don't stop it. Go. Go, baby, go. 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 That shit ain't got nothing on you. Fucking tire. Fuck out of here.
Fucking tire.
Fuck out of here. Flat ass tire. So we gonna let change it. Alright, get out of here.
Yeah, no, that shit is fucked up.
Yeah, dude. Go, baby, go. Almost there. Keep going. 50 more times.
This is when it gets easier. It's not Yo, hair, move.
I got a hair tie on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hair tie break.
If I tell you how many times I've had to change a tire in my life.
Really?
So
I've never
many
did.
times. I had my other car for 11 years.
Damn, so you had
Just
to.
imagine.
Damn.
College. Went to the parking deck. Tire flat.
You said you always in parking decks, huh?
Yes. That's when it always is. Fucking parking deck. I'm like, for real? Man?
Your car like, yeah, here's my chance. I'm gonna sit here a while.
This is it.
Wow. Your car like it's been flat since we got out.
Yeah.
It's a mark. That's it.
I should be able to take it off now. So then you take off the bolts and put the bolts somewhere so you don't lose them because you need that shit. So just stick it there.
Let me hold them.
It's okay. You're not going anywhere. I'm lucky that we have this kit because if we didn't, we'd have to wait for it to play. So now that we're taking the tire off, it's a tutorial for you guys.
Might need to put this in a separate video on how to change the tire.
I have no words for that part. So now I'm gonna roll this to the trunk. Best way to move a tire, just roll it. Don't try to pick it up enough. It's heavy.
Spare.
And I'm gonna put,
I got the spare, you know.
I'm gonna put this inside the fucking thing is always in the way. I gotta get this out of my car.
What's that? Canteen?
No, that. Babe's got the spare. So you're gonna take your spare, I'm gonna line it up. Bullshit. Line that bad boy up.
Okay.
Then you're gonna take your bolts. Put them back on.
I got a super mama, y'all. And she cute.
Have change your tire.
See us lesbians, we survive.
We do. What I need a man for? All I need is your sperm. That's it. And that's it for the lesbians that want to have kids. If you don't want to have kids, you don't need a motherfuckers. What do you need them for? You don't. There's anything they can do, you can do it.
Right.
You can definitely do it.
And that was less than 10 minutes.
This is like not rocket science. This is like really easy. Really not that hard.
Yeah, now I know.
You loosen them first. Just loosen them. You don't take them completely off. You just loosen them. And then you lift the car up. Step 1, loosen the bolts. Step 2, lift the car. Step 3, take the tire off. Take the bolts off completely. Take the tire off. Put the spare on. Put the bolts back on. Lift the car back down. That's it. And you got your spare on. So you tighten them with your hands first, and then you take this, and you make sure they're tight. You want to make sure they're tight, but not too tight because you don't want them to
Be stuck.
not be stuck. It's you don't want to rip them, or it's not rip them. But,
Oh, I know, split them or something.
yeah,
It's like,
yeah, because you can't do that. But you want them to be tight. So I'm gonna tighten them here, and then I'm gonna tighten them again when I lift the car down to make sure that they're. You do not want these to come off while you're driving. It will be all bad. So, again, with this annoying ass process, but you go the opposite way.
how to change the tire.
Kelsey Janae.
Alright, don't split it.
I know it's too tight. I know. I've done this too many times.
Wild tipsy.
Very good.
Awesome sauce. So y'all, in conclusion, I got a man. I don't need a man. This don't Mary had a little lamb, period. My baby changed tires. A nigga could never. We out. Baby, what we finna eat? This nigga. Oh, he got no fucking gas. Oh shit, what was he doing on the way to the airport? We ain't got no gas. All the odds are stacked against us. This is a adventure in real life. Child, where's the fucking there? At least I got that. Alright, let me drive with ease. Child. Got on the motherfucking spare. I feel like somebody got your car out the parking deck and drove that bitch while we was gone.
What, did they pay the thing?
This is like a good one. No, I probably just drove around.
Nah, bruh. Okay, how'd I get out of here?
Alright, y'all. We'll keep you updated on the next shenanigans.
I need to know how to get out. We made it home! Praise is like, won't he do
Praise.
it? Praise!
Man. Baby, tell them what you kept saying.
I feel like this fucking trip
Tell them what you
is
kept
like
saying.
a saga. It's a saga. What are these on? Saga. What did I keep saying? Houston, we have a problem?
Yeah.
Just because you hear that.
She kept saying it before the trip.
Houston.
We have a problem. Every time we mention the trip, Houston, we have a problem.
You should have told me we were going to Houston.
We goddamn went to Houston and had a whole damn problem. So, Manifest Queen.
Houston, we don't have no fucking problems.
Oh,
Your words are powerful, guys.
Yeah.
That is the moral of this story, is that your words are powerful. So watch what you say.
Watch what you're saying.
But you know, I feel like we had like good energy, good spirits through it
We did.
all. And despite it being like an inconvenience, because all of this was just an inconvenience. We weren't struggling. This is all just an inconvenience. Yeah. You know, people were really fucking struggling.
Yeah.
You know,
and we were blessed that we had money to stay longer.
You know, like we were good.
We were good
the whole time, and I still got money. Yeah. So I was like,
we're finna go out to eat. So we're blessed. We thankful.
Very thankful
for getting us back in Atlanta safely. We were in Houston safe, and so we're just appreciative.
Found food every day.
Yeah, like even at the last minute last night, as y'all saw, because I did not think we was gonna eat last night.
It was like a holla spot.
Yeah,
like
But it was like, I think I see people coming in and out. I'm like, no, you don't. It's the hotel.
I was like, I do. I see the people.
She's like, let's just walk down here.
And then we went closer. I was like, I smell the food.
Yeah, and I started smelling. So I'm like, okay. But yeah, y'all. And what else I had to say? Damn, I forgot what I was about to say. Oh, thank you guys for checking on us. Like those of you who did send us messages. I know a lot of y'all following us on Instagram. So thank you guys who, you know, checked in on us, sent us warm messages and love and light. Yeah. We do appreciate it. Yeah. So I just want to say thank y'all for being there with us. We love y'all. So we are about to we're about to unpack. Yeah. And go get some food. So if you guys don't see us anymore, we hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Yes. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you hit the bell notification so you can be notified every time we drop new content. And if you aren't already, make sure you guys follow us on Instagram at houseofk.love.
It's our new Instagram. Yeah. Our other one got hacked.
So we didn't block you guys.
We didn't block
in case you missed the video. Yeah. We got hacked. So make sure you guys are following us at the new Instagram page. And we're going to see you guys next time. Peace.
Oh, look at that. It was like a